Hey folks, Steve Good here with the Scrollsaw Workshop. I wanted to show you a feature that I've had on the blog since 2012, and I haven't talked about it very much, but it's kind of a useful feature, so I thought I would show it to you here tonight, and those of you who could get some use out of it, at least you'll know it's there. It is an online Scrollsaw pattern generator, and it generates two different types of patterns. The first one you can see is it'll do a keychain fob. The second one, it will do a nameplate. Both of these are very easy to make. You just select the one you want, type the name you want to use. You can size it. In this case, that would be a 10.5-inch keychain, so obviously that's too big. So you could size it down to whatever size you want. Then you could move it down on the page to get it out of the way, because we're going to create a second one also. Go down here and click Add New, and in this case we'll select the Scrollsaw font, which allows us to do a nameplate. We can type in the name that we want. Now again, we can resize this one, and if we want it to be larger than 10 inches or 10.5 inches, if you keep resizing it and make it bigger, it'll split in half, and then after you print it out, you can go back and put it back together as one pattern. So there's the two patterns. We could add more if we wanted, but there's the two patterns we need. We go down here to the Save Download button. It will open that pattern up as a PDF, and then you can either save the PDF or print it out directly from there. So you can see it gives you a fairly fine pattern. It does unfortunately print in all black. Eventually I'm hoping we can go back and change that to where we get a black outline with a gray interior, which would be like the rest of my patterns that I make on the blog. But for now, this is what it does. So kind of a handy little tool to have available if you just want to do a quick pattern of a key fob or a desk nameplate. And it is available at www.stevedgood.com/stencil, and I'll put a link down in the instructions below. Okay, I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at the Scrollsaw Workshop, and we'll catch you next time.